Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing on the application of Rapid TV. We click on settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about this application of Rapid TV. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter the storage, then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. In this page, you will search about the application of Rapid TV, and then here you will update your app.